Wow, this house is amazing!
So we are here in the exclusive landed enclave at Hillview Garden Estate. In fact, when the owner built this home, he has the intention to move in together with his two sons and their families. Therefore, the design of this house is really unique and cater especially to multiple families living under one roof. However, due to situational change, they had to abandon this plan and therefore decided to put up this house for sale. Come on in and check out the huge space.
Sure, this is indeed impressive, and I reckon that the frontage of this house is at least 10 meters.
Yes, this house sits on a plot size of approximately 4853 square feet with a built-up area approximately 8467 square feet. The frontage itself is around 11.6 meters, which is wider than some of the bungalows out there, and therefore, the built-up area is also bigger than these bungalows, which explains the spaciousness of this house, which is ideal for multiple families living under one roof. The open living area is huge, so that you should be able to accommodate a 12-seater sofa easily for the families to come together. Furthermore, it is surrounded by full-height glass doors on the three sides, which allows seamless flow of natural lights within the house. And these glass doors can actually be opened up for the family to create an extended living area, especially during the festive occasion since most of the COVID restrictions have been lifted. I am sure the family will be able to have a fabulous bonding time here.
Yes, and I can see that the dining area has been separated from the living area, giving the family the privacy when they are dining together, while facing the garden space where you can do some nice landscaping to enhance the family dining experience. The dry kitchen area is also right by the side of the dining area where simple food preparations can be done, or drinks can also be picked up easily from here without the need to walk a distance just to get a drink.
Yes, and if you are doing heavy cooking, the spacious wet kitchen at the back here will be ideal. The helper's quarter at the back is also sizable, so family helper who gets quality rest will definitely be able to work better for the family. You need to check out the guest room on the ground floor. I am sure you will be amazed by the sheer size of this guest room.
Wow, this is indeed amazing! I think this is easily the size of a studio apartment out there. The view from this room is also pleasant, unlike many other landed homes, with guest room at the back facing some other dirty kitchen or laundry. In fact, it is quite obvious that we are on significantly higher ground than our neighbour at the back, and I am sure that ventilation in this house will be excellent.
Yes, definitely. And if you think that this guest room is amazing, I think you will be blown away as we head upstairs to check out the master suites. Let's go upstairs now.
Okay.
Do you notice how wide the stairways is and also how gentle each step upwards is? Even though we have a great ceiling height of over 3.6 meters, you do not feel the strain as we walk up the steps. And the moment we are upstairs, you can see the clever design of having an open linkway between the front and back wing of the house to bring in natural lights and ventilation. And if it rains, you can simply lower down the blinds, or you can also install a zip tie to keep the rain out. Come, let's check out the master suites.
Oh my goodness, they even have pantry installed in the master bedroom. This is the kind of luxury that I can only see in bungalows, and they already have it done up here. And look at the double volume ceiling and the sheer amount of space available. This is like a 2-bedroom apartment within this master suite, with the living area that looks out to the open terrace and the sleeping area tucked away in privacy. Now, where does this stairs lead to?
Yes, this is the design the owner had in mind for each of his son's family, where they can live under one roof, yet still enjoy the privacy within their own families with a private living area in the master suite linked to the sleeping area. This stairs leads upstairs to another room on the attic level and can be the kids' room, which you can also access from the conventional stairways. We have two of these rooms, one here and the other at the back of the level 2, where both the master suites enjoy the spaciousness and yet not compromising on the individual family's privacy. In between these two rooms, we have also another bedroom that comes with an attached bathroom and can accommodate a king-size bed as well as a sizable wardrobe.
That is absolutely fantastic, and I think my buyer and his extended family will definitely be keen to explore this house further. So what is on the attic level?
Well, let's go check it out now. On the attic itself, we have another 3 bedrooms, and the ones on the front and back are the ones linked to the master suite on the 2nd floor if you can remember. And both these rooms also comes en suite. The owner has specially planned for such a design so that his grandchildren can be close to their parents but yet still have their own privacy and space they need as they grow up over the years. We also have an additional room that can be converted into the study room for the children to do their homework or revision so they do not mix work, play and rest together. And if your buyer is interested in this house, we will be sharing an exclusive bonus information to them which we will not disclose here. So do hurry and arrange your buyer to come in for an exclusive home tour.
Bonus? This really sounds like a great deal in the market. So how much are you looking at for this listing?
For a limited period only, we are looking only at 8.68 million. That works out to be under $1,800 per square foot, which is a steal in today's landed market for a brand new landed home. I am sure your buyer do not want to miss out on such a wonderful deal.
Absolutely. I really think that this is an amazing listing that I should recommend to all my buyers.
And for buyers out there, if you're also keen to check out this fabulous listing, do give me a call on my hotline, which is 9278 772. AAG Landed 772, your compass for landed properties.